Well, I got the hood back on. Thought I'd better go ahead and put it on while I had some help. Got it all buffed, waxed. 2 good coats of carnauba wax. It's not bad for a probably 7-8-year-old paint job. Yeah, may have been waxed 3 times in 7-8 years. And I got the hood cut down to 1500. Just done it by hand, wet sanded it, small block. Yeah, I think I'm gonna break out my jitterbug again. Since we've used the jitterbug so much, we'll just go ahead and use the jitterbug again. Now this one look a little different. It's one of those wet bugs. Comes in pretty handy. One thing I've got right now is 2500. That ought to do the trick. Just cut it to fit. Don't have any holes in it right now, but you line this up. Now you got holes. Works pretty good. Stick this other end in a 5-gallon bucket, clean water. It'll feed the water through there for you. Works good. Let's give it a try. And make sure you don't have no grit. It'll really mess things up fast. That's why I like to use a nozzle. Just good clear water. That way when you're sanding, you dig a piece of trash loose, you don't push that thing all over the hood and scratch it up deep. Put in deep scratches in it, it's hard to get out sometimes. You wash it away like that every now and then, it'll help. You never know when you're going to get a piece of trash. You'll finally get to the point on some of these where they're not exactly flat. That's not really good to try to use because you'll hit some of those edges and actually get it off. You need something really flexible. You can use hand pad that bends, flexes. I usually start out with it, do a section, but eventually I'll just fold that paper up in the palm of my hand. That don't sound like a good idea, but for 2,500 grit, or 3,000, just lightly rub it. That's the only thing you're doing. It's just trying to take out the 1,500 grit, or whatever you use. That's pretty much just polishing the paint anyway at this point. You're not likely to hurt it as long as you don't get a piece of grit under it. Just keep wetting it. Just polish that paint. Like I say, it's already flat. It should be by now. Only thing you need to do now is just polish out that 1,500 grit. That'll get the job done. Really better than anything else. Just your bare hand in this case. While you're doing this, you feel any little bit of grit, you need to rinse off your paper, rinse off that panel, keep it really wet. Slightest bit of grit can really mess up your paint. I know, I found that the hard way. When you sand, gotta sand in a straight line like this, not round and round. You don't want to do that. You want to do back and forth. Maybe sometime around the corner you'll have to do this. But most of the time you need to go straight lines. Just like this. Right here you can change. Most of the time, back and forth. I know on video you can't tell how long somebody sands. You're cutting in and out so much, but just on this half of this hood, I've sat and sanded on this thing for probably 15-20 minutes back and forth, keeping it wet. It takes a long time to polish out with a 2500 grit paper or 3000, whatever you're using. You don't do it in a couple swipes. It can take you a while. Just stay at it. Keep working it. You'll get all them old sanding marks out. 25 to 3000 don't leave much. Then you compound it, it'll come out really easy. Won't take much buffing that way. Be slick as glass. Well, got it all wet sanded down to 2500. Let that dry. We'll find something else to do, I'm sure. That shouldn't take long in the sun. Yeah, I guess I got another future video in the works. Yep, another nice one. Nothing but dents. Yeah, maybe we'll get lucky and find a door. Of course, that won't make much of a video. Maybe we just had some fun and fix this one. If you call that fun. Yeah, we'll see. Even sanded the headlights down. We'll shine them up when we buff the hood. I got it down to the 2500. Make them look new again. Keep her wet. Well, there's a half. Just glazed it with McGuire's Speed Glaze. Now the long wait for 120 days to cure. You can put a good coat of carnauba wax on that, then it'll really look good. Yep, nothing to do but wait.